Hello everyone! In this video from Device Doctor, we'll fix the color printing issue of the Epson L805 printer with a simple and practical method. Stay with us.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Before fixing the printer issue, we manually check the nozzle by performing a nozzle check print. Hold down the power button and the cancel button on the printer at the same time for about 15 to 20 seconds. After the nozzle check print, you'll notice that the print quality is very poor, and the paper is almost blank. This indicates the printer needs repair. Don't worry, Device Doctor is here to help with your problems. The tools you need are 3 screwdrivers and a 50mm syringe, just like in the video. Now, unplug the power cable from the printer and open the printer cover. Move the print head slightly to the center for easier access. After that, remove the screw from the cover above the print head and take off the top cover to access the print head dampers. Now remove each damper one by one and use the 50mm syringe to draw out air until it fills with ink. It's an easy task, but be careful and follow the video closely to avoid damaging the dampers and the printer head. Empty the ink collected in the syringe into the trash can. Once you have bled all the dampers, put them back on. After that, we need to bleed the printer's waste tank and remove the waste ink to ensure the color tubes are properly cleared. Now, turn the printer over and remove the cover where the waste tank tube is located. Then, use your syringe to bleed the tube and remove the collected ink. Now turn on the printer and once it's ready, give it a cleaning command by pressing the drop button for 10 seconds. The printer cleaning will take about 3 to 5 minutes, so you need to wait and not turn off the printer. After the cleaning is complete, turn off the printer and then perform a manual nozzle check print to see if the color issue in the printer has been resolved. As you can see, the issue with this printer has been successfully resolved. The first and second nozzle checks show great results. For more educational and helpful videos, stay tuned with Device Doctor. Until next time, goodbye.